Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Progressive Pay-Per-Mile coverage setup step by step clearly. To install Progressive Pay-Per-Mile coverage, start by visiting the Progressive website. On the home page, locate the Get a Quote button and click it. Enter your zip code in the provided field and click Get a Quote again. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Provide details about your vehicle, such as the make, model, and year. Next, indicate your driving habits, including estimated mileage and usage type. Once all information is entered, review the coverage options presented to you. Select Pay-Per-Mile as your preferred coverage option. Customize your coverage limits and deductibles based on your needs. After setting your coverage, proceed to review your quote. Make sure all details are correct before continuing to the next step. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the instructions to create your online account by providing your email and a password. Once your account is created, you'll be able to finalize your policy. Review all terms and conditions, then agree to them. Next, provide your payment information to complete the setup. Confirm your payment and coverage details before submitting. After processing, you will receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Make sure to review your policy and keep it for your records. Now you are all set up with Progressive Pay-Per-Mile coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.